Hey! Welcome! This is a recorded session from Twitch. It will be a very long video, and that's why I put timestamp in the description, just down below, to help you to jump and go directly to the part that interests you. To know exactly when I'm streaming, go visit twitch.tv/fboucheros. The link is also in the description. But for now, let's watch this session. Get ready for the left up. Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher, and we'll have a lot of fun today. We're working on the chatbot. It's fun, the chatbot. It's always a fun thing because I don't really know what I'm doing, and that's the full purpose of it. Learning, have fun with you. Today, so last stream, I was just sharing that to the people already in the chat. Hello, Cecile. Last stream, I lost the notes taken by CloudBot, the CeeBee, right? Because it's all in memory. So when the server crash or if anything happen, we lose that. So I would like to have, I don't think I want something that's saved in a database like every call or action, but it could be interesting to have some kind of reminder, or a drop every 10 minutes or 15 minutes, just kind of update what's in there. So I think I would do that. I think, not sure. A database could be interesting. Also, if we work on a kind of a reminder, sometime I forgot to enter timestamp, TimeLogs. So I'll have CeeBee remembering me that. That could be interesting. Or maybe it could just be a line in the chat. So having some kind of a recurrent task, that's the plan of today. And before I forget, let's start that context. So I need to enter a command. So how can I do that? So on my side, I'm the only one who can do that because I'm the broadcaster. What I do is I type start, and then I type the name of the project, and now it's start recording. It created a session, so I should totally open the project CloudBot. Voila. And while it's opening, let's go see the board. So in progress, I need to work on that. Maybe this weekend I will do that, depending on the weather. The kayak season is getting. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Boom, full screen. No, this one. Yeah. Yeah. So kayak season is going shorter and shorter. Like getting to his end soon. So I need to, have some fun as much as I can right now. But what can I say? High score always wrong, and oh yeah, I need to change that too. There's a lot of stuff, but I think right now the priority will be not losing data, because even if I'm showing the good data, if I lose it at the end, that's really sad. So we need a way to save the data. So if you know any easy database that work with Node, that would be cool. Node or purely no, I think it will be better Node. I think it will be better Node. So I want to add some. Let's do add reminders, and we'll detail in the detail. So add description. If no project is entered, Oh no, I should do some tasks. Add a task. Remind if no project specified. What I'm missing? Voila. Remind time log every I don't know. Let's do 10 minutes. I think it will be heavy. Maybe 15 minutes. What else? I think that could be cool, just to get started. Oh yeah, so like, no, that's it. So let's add some labels. So it is an enhancement and help wanted. It's totally open. And we need to save, score in the credits. Adding clouds, oh yeah. See, right now I forgot, so like time, and everybody can do that, right? So time, okay, so so saving the session automatically on a regular base. Is it how you say that in English? I think it's better in a database because, though, like if I just do a brain dump, I know how to load it. It's just, I wish I could have some stuff to reload a specific one, because right now I only have one dump. Let's close this, I don't need that. So see, those are all the images that was created. No, it's not. What? MD? Yeah, no, those are all the notes generated. Maybe I can keep them, but no, like they are all unique because they have the time. Right, because right now if I do stop, we'll create a new one. There it is. So see, now I have a time log and we are working on that project, right? So that's pretty cool. But if something crash, I didn't save it. Stream session is really the object. No, it's not true, it's there. So every time I do stop, I could just run stop on a regular basis. The problem is, if in time it get corrupted, I don't know. I think, could it be cool to keep track of all the session? I don't think so. Am I overcomplicating things here? Let's add some to do. So to do, that's definitely the goal today. Add, save session, stream session automatically, right? I think it could be cool to have a database, because now we could just have like the to-dos display on the top, and from stream to stream I could load some information, not in the brain dump, like in a dose dump, but like in object in a database. That's a big change. Maybe for now I could just have like some kind of automatic job. I think while we're working on moving stuff in a database, I need something that just... Okay. What was the other thing I was adding? Oh, the reminder. And reminders could be custom. That could be cool. Do we have two to-dos? I did I only see one. Or maybe because it's too tiny. Is there two? You know what? There's a way. There's a way to know. Let's go on Twitch. Not the Microsoft developer. I want to see my channel. Oh, that's me. I'm on the Microsoft developer. Cool. I'm on the Microsoft developer. And I should mute. Where's the mute button? So there's two. It's tiny. Is it too small? Though, like, I think it's good enough. Is it too small? Can you read that easily? I think yes, right? It's not the priority, it's just, it's there. It's nice. Yeah. Okay. Inception. Okay. So we need inceptions. I need a boom. Okay, so I have no clue how to do that. So Node, JS. Oh no, like it's not Node, it's in JavaScript. It's in JavaScript that I need to do that, not in Node. It's in there. That would be the best thing. Or inside CloudBot, but it's still JavaScript. It's only JavaScript here. So JavaScript. Cron task. I don't know how to cron job. How to schedule cron job in Node.js? Nope. I'm on the client side. JavaScript. Recurring. Yeah, that's Node cron. That's not what I want. Because the session is in the client side, so it's purely JavaScript. And recursive, that's not what I want. Yeah, no. Does recursion mean... Oh, yeah, calling every 50 seconds. If you don't care if the code timer may take longer than your interval, use set interval. That fire the function passed as a first parameter over and over and over. A better approach is use set timeout along with a self-recursing anonymous function. That's not bad, it's true. That guarantee the next call to be made before your code was executed. That guarantee that the next call is not made before your code was executed. Oh yeah, it's true. No, that guarantees. Is it me or it's small? I think I ask that every stream. Let's make it big. I want you to be able also to help me to find it. Okay, so that guarantees that the next call is not made before your code was executed. Okay, if the recursion is faster than the time, yeah, that's not bad for me. Like, hopefully saving my data dump will be faster than 10 minutes, but whatever. Okay, I use argument callee in this example as function reference. It's a better way to give a function name. What? It's a better way to give the function a name and call that in because argument callee is deprecated. Oh, okay, so it is better. Cool. So, I'm thinking, where do we put that? Like, I think I want I want two things. I want the dump, but I think I like my stream session. That helps when I'm debugging. So I could generate another file and override it every time. My only problem is if I'm running 2bot, that's a problem. So I think to when the pages start, just to pick a random number, I will add that to the name of my file or something like that. And this way, if I'm having 2bot running at the same time, they won't use the same file, and I will avoid having to have this thing here. So yeah, okay. So I think in an index, I want, so stop. Where is that function stop? Here. So just stream node stop. So I should be able to pass the name of the file, I think. That could be better. If we look in the CloudBot here, this function generate stream session and then save stream session. So I should be able to pass the name. If we go a little bit deeper, The name is not even here, it's on the server side. I need to bubble up the name. So that's in the Gen Stream notes. Now we are on the server side, so this is node, and I'm adding the dat format, time dat, and I build oh yeah, but that's not what I want. That's not what I want. So stream stop. Oh, that's not what I want. So let's go here, and the function before, I forgot what it was. It was stop something, right? Save to file, I think. That's what I want. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Save to file. That's the one I want. Stream session. That's the one I want to call. Was it saved then? Yeah, okay, so the thing I want to call over and over is save. But if I'm doing that, so stream session. Oh, I don't want to do an object over the object, so I need to add so that's my stream session class, right? Contain the project, the date, time, start. I could have a date, time, save. Well, like, in fact, date, time, end is, no, it's not ended. So date, time, save could be there. I could have but name. But ID that will be generated on the refresh, Yeah, we could do that, right? So what I need to do now is to do add a chatbot ID in stream session. And we need to add what did I say? Daytime save. Last update? Last update, right? In stream session. Cool. So now let's start by the ID. So to do start. It's super tiny. I can't see it. This is really bad. So it's 3, right? Start 3. Is it anything different? It's supposed to be that, right? To do start, and then I pass the message. That is it. What I did to do start 3. Okay, now if I do save, I won't make any difference. It won't make any difference. I have to do new. So they are all new. So something didn't work. Why it didn't work? Should have, right? To do start. Is it what I typed? Oh, it was 2 exclamation point. That's why. There it is. Now we are working in that. Cool. And I should time It's very quiet today. Did you know, guys, you could play the game? You can totally play the game. Just do drop, and you could even add an emoticon if you want, have something different. And the goal is it's purely luck, and it's to fall to this pool here. Okay, so what I need now is when I start my stuff, I want to pick a random number. Okay, that's why I was like the the +1 was to avoid, was to avoid having 0. Though in my case, I don't really care. Cool. So what we want here is when we start this page, here we'll say constant, and it will be there it is. Whoops, dropped water in my keyboard. This is not good. So quiet today, so quiet. Okay, so now I have an idea. So I should save it. Our stream session is created just here, so I could totally instead what I will do here is so by default we'll make it 0, and that's how we'll know that it will be updated. I'm so not sure this is the proper way to do it. Oh my god. Okay, so now instead of having this, what I will do is just this dot ID, and voila, now I have an ID. So this is done, right? I'm not using it yet, but I have it. So I think here, instead of having the date and the time, right? So I could just have this, remove this part. Nope, that's not the good one. Why it's underscore? Oh, that's attention. Oh, that's the one. So here, instead of having that, I could just now say, hey, yeah. So we'll remove this. And I will put $, curly brackets, yeah, that's what I want to do. And here it will be the requests dot body dot ID. Dot ID. And even for my stream session, I could use that now. So in here, instead, I could just, let's create a variable here. Let's say const of file name equal, and we need to use this character. Oops. Wow, I'm having so much trouble typing, it's incredible. Okay, so I want this stream session, it will be underscore voila. Ah, yeah, but my problem now is to load, because the ID will have, ah, damn it. That's why I didn't do it. I just need to update it or load and specify the number. Do I have any requests here? Nope. And I thought it was simple. Let's do that for now. Okay. I should add a new to-do. Add load a specific stream session with idea. Okay. So when I do the load, because if I want to refresh now this, it's expecting a file, right? But I just need to update it and I should be fine. Okay, so here I'm having, hey, Dotatu attitude. Hello, how are you? How was your week, buddy? How was your week? Pretty good. Had a dev group thing this week. Oh, that's cool. By G. Paul Hill. I don't know him. What's the talk was about? He's a coding book publisher. Huh? Oh. Was it online? Take smaller step. That's cool. Interesting. Was it online, Dotatu attitude? I'm assuming. Yep, New York's. Oh, New York. Your base? Your New York base? Cool, pretty cool. Oh, you're in Canada. I didn't know. Or I think you told me. From Prince Edward Island. I think you already told me, right? And I totally forgot. I'm sorry. Is it from Prince Edward? Forgot the name. Is it from? Years ago. Yeah, pre-pandemic, right? I was drinking this earlier this week. I'm not sure if it's from Prince Edward. I think it's not.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Fragbird. Fragbird is in the ace. Yeah, exactly. API. À l'abri de la tempête. Is it from you guys? From... Oh, l'étang du Nord. Huh. That's not Prince... Yeah, okay. Wrong province. It's in Quebec. Yeah, I was looking for beer. I am on tap, but there was Bombe de Soleil. Oh, like Moosehead. I also drank a Moosehead this week. In fact, Moosehead is one of my favorite. Is my little beer, favorite little beer. You know, like sometimes I like to try different beers, so I'm always try different. But like, if I go to my basic, if it's just a super hot day and I want just like a cold beer, Moosehead is my target. That or Sleeman Honey Brown. My little beer, I call those. Not the fancy, nothing. Just a beer. I don't go with Bud Light or things like that. But Moosehead, Sleeman Honey Brown, and I should be talking beers on a family-friendly stream. So let's change topic. Oh, really? I didn't know it was difficult to... why my chat is that far? I didn't know it was difficult to... in different province? Well, Moosehead, I like it. They all changing their brand. I even have a t-shirt, Moosehead. But today I'm wearing my... Do you have enough time to read it? Each province has its own law, and they are very procrastinating. Procrastinating. 11, you need to brew with some... Oh, I don't know that. Yeah. Oh. Well, this 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 3, 1, 0. That's a nice countdown. Even the countdown is mixed up. Yeah. I like to drink one beer every that was like my moment when I'm like, okay, tonight is like coding session, or like it's a game. Like when I want to make it special, I will take a beer and just like sip it slowly. Just one. I'm receiving a bunch of text, just want to check. Okay. Nothing urgent. So what I was doing, I've completely forgot. When I was a chemical engineer. Oh. Cool. That's nice. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. I have my cousin. They do now beer. It's called Robin. Natural Robin. I think it's just in French. I told them, hey, your website is only in French. They say, yeah, we don't have a lot of people coming. So they are twins, but this is Mathieu. And Hugo is here. So if you come in Quebec later in the future, or if you're in Quebec and you want to have a look, the beer is pretty cool, and the guys are super nice. Okay, so yeah, okay, so now I'm saving that, so that's cool. I'm using this. I think we could try it, right? Yeah, we could totally try it. So if I do now a reload of this page and I just do a save, undefined. Okay, so something didn't work. Did I not save all the file? Or did I do a mistake? So in my property was called ID, okay, and here did I use that? Let's do a time thing. Testing the new ID. Oh, cool. Yeah. Oh, no, okay, I missed stream session. So buddy and then stream session. Okay. But here it should be. Oh yeah, but I didn't generate the notes. Okay. So let's try again. And now if I do save. Yeah. Boop, boop. Did you do any Oktoberfest? Not yet. Honestly, I didn't have a look to the project. What I did though is open 2 of my projects for that thing. So now you can participate to my URL shortener if you are interested. It's a project that has a lot of participation, so I thought it could be cool, and there's plenty of stuff. It's good, and there's so much work, documentation and things like that, so I thought it could be interesting. And my Tiny Blazor admin also is open. It's a smaller project, but it could be cool. But I didn't have a look yet to all the Oktoberfest project. I need to do that. Maybe next Friday we could have a look to that. Yeah, that's what I did. Right? Oktoberfest. Yep. I did it 2 years, last year and the year before, and this year I also want to do that. It's just this week I've been, how can I say that? I've been running not late, but I'm being, what's the good word for, like, push by the event and stuff like that, so I want to take control. So this week was really for me to smash everything and just like be a machine and be up in front of my stuff again and decide where I want to go and things like that. To give you an example, on my YouTube channel, I've been not pushing any update for the Cloud 5 minutes for like I think 2 months. That's not acceptable. I'm supposed, like, my goal when I started that channel was to have a YouTube video, like a, not like the recap stuff or live or thing, but like a Cloud 5 minutes every second week. So I recorded something yesterday, so hopefully today I will be able to start working on that. That's pretty cool. I have new video coming also. There's blog posts I need to finish. Like my series now about demystify ARM template is done, so I want to do some kind of blog post. It's 12 episodes. I want to like have a blog post that kind of summarize the main idea of those things, and maybe do a little bit of hey, you know, this, so someone can jump in the part they want to dig in. I also have a lot of work, but we are mostly up to date with All Around Azure. But All Around Azure is my stream that I do on the Microsoft Developer channel. We want to change the format, have our own color and stuff, and now we are starting to cut in pieces the video, so people will be more tempted to watch it instead of watching like a 2-hour long video. So there's a lot of work to do. So this week was a lot of prep. So today will be a focus day after the stream. I'm just like focusing a lot. And beginning of the week, next week, well, I have my All Around Azure things. Part 2 with Azure Storage with Shannon. It will be super cool. And but still, I need to prep for that one. And after that, I'll think I'm pretty good, so I will have again time to smash more stuff. So still a lot of work to do. So I did not yet plan any work for Oktoberfest, but I really want to get into it. I really like the open source things and all those things. Are there issues? I don't think so. If you go here, yeah, like it's the repository. So let's say I'm picking C#. Was it there? PHP, Go, Ruby. It's not even there. Oh, interesting. Maybe you're right then. I don't know. Overworked? Yeah, YouTube video takes a lot of time, but I like YouTube videos. How can I search? Maybe I did wrong. Like my project is C#, HTML, CSS, but C# doesn't show up in the list. That's all 0 stars. I thought my project will be at the end, but okay, not this way. Maybe in the recently update then? Maybe not. Yeah. There's a bunch of project Yeah, I think it's just this. But I'm wondering why C# was not a list. Maybe because the list is too long already? I will need to check out this. I was hoping my project were in there. But there's a lot of projects, right? But yeah. So, I saw a question about Azure, where it was. How similar is Azure to AWS? Any idea? I was thinking of switching. From AWS to Azure, or from Azure to AWS? Like, it's a cloud provider. They have a different naming convention. I really like, of course, I'm biased now because I look like I'm biased because I'm working at Microsoft. But since the beginning, I really prefer the Microsoft Cloud because it was not focused on VM. You could have code, you could have PaaS, the documentation, the community was very developed. I really enjoyed that, and I found that for a developer point of view, Microsoft was better, and like because you have like all the communities and things like that. And when you are professional for enterprises, Microsoft was really strong with the partner. I don't think any other cloud provider has that strong relationship with the partner. So when you start using it, you could become a partner. They have a special event. They could have someone that will follow your projects and things with you to guide you on a professional enterprise point of view. Make sure you have the better architecture and like all the help you need. So there's a lot of services inside Microsoft. In terms of service, like they have different name, different twists, plus and pros and cons on every service that kind of match. Depends of what you're using. Pricing is also very similar. Like if one drop, the other one react. So like for us customers, like in terms of customers, I put myself in like a developers when I'm on that stream. It's just fun because competition mean good services, good price for us. So all good. Sorry. Well, now C# is everywhere. So run on Linux, run on everything. Like when I start streaming, I was streaming from a Linux VM because I couldn't have Linux fully installed on my machine. So I was running from a VM, but I was passing all my time inside that VM. And it was Linux, and I was doing .NET. So it's running everywhere now. There's no problem. So even if you want to go on Azure, yes, of course, do it. You could totally do it. You could follow my YouTube video if you want. Then .NET is good, and if ever you want to go back to another cloud provider, it's supported. So no problem for that. Is there something else? I'm not sure. AWS has managed NoSQL database. That's what I want. I'm not sure AWS has managed NoSQL database. DynamoDB is kind of... Is it? Yeah, it's managed and it's NoSQL. I did a book review once about DynamoDB. Should go on my LinkedIn, it will be faster. I think it was that one. Mastering? I think it was that one. No, DynamoDB is pretty cool. Though, yeah, it's true. Fragbird is full Amazon. CosmoDB is really great. I have multiple APIs, so like it's really cool because you could use whatever you want to talk to it. You could simulate that it's MongoDB or like or Cassandra or like SQL Server or anything. So that's pretty cool. Is it the same? Now I'm curious. Now I'm curious. Was it the book I reviewed a little while back? Oh no, it's not the same. It's a different one. That's the one I reviewed. And it was cool. I like DynamoDB, but yeah. Beanstalk, I don't know either what it is. Or Beanstalk. Okay, so let's get back to my stuff. So now I have this. So now I need, okay, so it's done. So, and which number it was? 3, right? I think. Oh, it's so small. I think I need just to type task or to-dos in the chat, and like CeeBee could just write them down for me because it's so tiny. I don't see anything. Was it 3? Is it 3 the blue one? I think it's 3. Yup, it is, because I have a memory dump. So let's do a to-do. And now I'm not sure if it's done. I think the keyword that we use is done. Done. Done.
Bonjour. Hi.
Stefan, how are you? Took me 2 clicks to remember your name. How was your week, buddy? I didn't ask, Fragbird. Are you feeling better, mister? Will you be able to talk during the weekend? Fragberg was not having a good time this week. I'm not bad. We're just trying to make sure CeeBee is helping me not forgetting stuff. So now we have an idea. An ID. So now we could do the task where it calls. Oh no, and yeah. Right? Now I could just do save to file, save to file, save to file. Yeah. And I could, should I do it here or should I do it in the CloudBot? I think I shouldn't, I think I should do it here. Though here there's no function. Is it? How many milliseconds in 10 minutes? I was missing 1 0. I think, you know what I need, Cloudies? I need a coffee. Did I did any session during Ignite? No. Doesn't mean I was not busy though. I was supposed to have a session, one of those pre-recorded session. I did it, but then they decided to change the format. So I didn't do it. Like my recording was not used because they decided to have something like okay, with the name of my sponsor, and I didn't do that. And also my session that I record was about, I think it was 45 minutes or 40 minutes, and then now they decide, oh, let's change it for 30 minutes. So I was having too much time in it, so they didn't use it. What I did instead is I did some chat. What's the word for that? Like when you're moderating. I was moderating the chat, so I did 15 hours of moderation. So a lot of works, a lot of fun, a lot of chit chat with a bunch of people. It was cool. I liked it. Did you watch any good sessions? That's part of my to-dos, stuff that I need to do. Lots of new announcements. Yeah, watch a lot. Oh, cool. I'm still I built my virtual backpack. I think right now I watch maybe 3 or 4 sessions. Not a lot. Should I think for this now, let's do every minute. So every minute is if a minute has. Oh, wow. This, I think. Right? That's every minute. So if I do now this, you know what? We should do a console log. Okay, so now let's try to just do this. And undefined right away. Chatbot 16. Oh yeah, the undefined is from... No. So right now it's nothing, so now if I add, let's do a drop. So I'll have stats. Let's add a note. So again, chatbot 16 that I save. Hey! Oh, did I land? Did you see my score? Well, that's good. And it's updated. Cool. Excellent. The thing works. I land. It's really... Come on, Fragbird. You didn't try. Maybe today is... I should change team because now going in a pool is kind of sad. You should clip that and send that to InstaFluff, by the way. Someone clip that, send it to InstaFluff, please, please, please. That was awesome. As I was testing my feature last time, Alan. Well, you did it on purpose, you said, Fragbird. Data is safe. Okay, yeah, I don't want it to pollute the chat though. I need to change that. Cool, so this works. Let's go and... Oh no, okay, it's because... Oh, maybe I need to add a parameter so it's quiet, maybe. Yeah, definitely want something to shut up this thing. Yeah, so autosave false. Let's go here in the save file, I mean, and verbose. I mean, I don't need that anymore. Also, and here what I need is how do you check if it exists or not or whatever? There it is. If it's not undefined and not null, and it's equal to true, do the thing. So now we could do this. Is reload undefined? Oh yeah. There it is. I should have kept that one though, just to see if, yeah. Oh, and still, let's put this. Just want to make sure it's working, and then I will make it very quiet. So chatbot. That it's. Just trying to make some Hey, TBD! Hello! You missed that, I land. But nobody clipped it though. 99 something. Data save. Why it's still... So my condition is... It's not bad. Oh yeah, because it's not null. Phew, it's going to be a good day. First drop and I miss. Yeah, but if I pass verbose, can you set a default value to a variable in JavaScript? As to a parameter? Could I just specify it? Oh, cool. Then let's try that. So verbose, by default, it will be equal to true. Voila. And now here it's if verbose, do this. So let's refresh this. Let's do some stuff. Well, right away. Oh, not true. 24. Am I passing true or am I passing false? False. Cool. Data was safe and nothing in the chat, so it's working. Excellent. So let's put it back to this. Thank you, Dota2 Attitude, to confirm, help me, guide me into that JavaScript adventure. Cool. So now that we have that, so now we have backup. Yeah, I should do a save though. Excellent. Now we need an update, right? Last update. Do I need the last update? I don't. Do I? Yes. I think it will be cool. And that was task 4. So 3 is... I don't see status done. That's cool. Okay, so now let's do... Hey Jason, how are you? To do start, and I'm starting the task 4. I just had some stuff, so now I have backups all the time on my session. Pretty happy. Okay, so now what we need to do is add the property, right? Just here. I need to have a better structure of those class. I will move those things to TypeScript, everybody. If you didn't think about it, I am. 24. Yeah, 24 doesn't have any, so it's undefined, right? That is the last one. Last update. So let's do this dot last update equal bing bing. That's more for like if something happened, I will know when was the last update. Oh yeah, but when do I do that? See, like I don't want to put every time an object. Like, it was more like the file, and I don't need that for the file. I don't need that. I don't need that thing. Cool. So then load with a specific ID, that could be interesting, or add reminders, and I think that will be the best one. And that's task to. So to do. Start to. So what I would like to do is add reminders in here, and every X I will check those reminders. There are some that will be pre-built, I think, and some that we could add. That could be complex though, because we will be playing with time. Yes, I said that. Okay, but I think it could be cool. What do you think? We create some reminders, and on a regular basis I check that if some condition is set. So this dot reminders, it's an array. Lurking, okay. No, I don't have a function for lurk. I should, huh? No problem. Dota2 no problem. So yeah, so reminders. So a reminder we'll have an idea, an ID, a description. Not sure for the status. Yeah, maybe a status. We need a target, like I'm not sure if I go for a frequent. Oh, maybe I could do that, like frequency, target, how many times, or things like that. Okay, so let's do this. So we'll have an idea, we'll have a description, we'll have a status. Status and a reminder. We'll have a description when we create it. I'm not sure I want this. Oh, a name maybe. Okay, so we'll do a name. Yeah, we'll do a name and a message. The name will be the way we'll be interacting with it, and the message would be whatever will be displayed in the chat. right? But we need other, but we'll need more property than that. Let me scroll up a little bit. We'll need a few more properties. I'm not sure how I do that. Do we do time? That's crazy, yeah? Because now I'm creating stuff. I need to check every... I think we need a status. It would have been so much easier to just say, hey, you know, do this. Recall. Like this thing. Just ask me that all the time. You know what? I think let's focus on one. We'll add what we want and we'll see what we need. So let's do that. So did I add the time? So the one I want to add as a reminder is, I don't think, time reminders. I want CeeBee to remember me to enter TimeLogs, because when I export the video, I want something clean. But I also want a reminder to start the stream at the beginning. Right, so here when I start, I would like to do stream session dot reminders dot push and then pass a new reminder, right? And do the thing. I think that's what I want to do. Okay, so it will be the name will be project, and that's the thing. I want him to trying to beat me. That will be hard because let me show you the scores today. I'm kind of leading it today by mistake. 99.35. Oh, my camera is broken. My camera has stopped. Camera. And now I'm moving again. Okay, moving. Cool. So yeah, so I don't know how to Okay, so let's do this. Right, so I'm just saying, hey, did you assign a project yet? So that will add this. So I should save. So that will say project, blah blah blah, status. I should create I did a few of those. Where they are. The enum. And it won't be reminder status enum. So we'll have active, inactive, and I think that's it for now. Done? Maybe. So when you create a reminder, is start as active. Maybe we should have like a reminder and the date, like the last time it ran. So something like, whoop, the dog will bark in 3, 2, 1. Peux-tu aller voir Dali? Vas-y. Didn't bark. Was sleeping. My daughter came back, so just like whoop. Yeah, so maybe we should have that. So let's say my reminder check spawn every 5 minutes, then I could specify here a date. I think I could specify, so this last check kind of thing. Right? That could be totally like new daytime. Right, so now right away I will have this. Okay, so now I need a function to check the reminders. Is it check watch? Check the reminders, I think. Generate. Okay, here. Okay, so what I want to do here is something like a function called check reminders, right? It's a function, and for now it doesn't take any parameter. And what I want to do is for each reminders, I will check if it's active, and then we'll start from there. So I have a for each somewhere. I think in my generate stuff that I was just pushing. Yeah, to do for each. That's exactly what I want. I'll just copy that block of text to save time. There it is. Boom. So stream, and it's reminders for each reminder. If the reminder dot status, I think I need a capital S, is equal reminder enum status dot active, right? We'll do something. I will also need a function to change the reminder of the status of a reminder, but for now let's do that. So for reminder status, let's double check. It was uppercase, right? I think for all my properties, reminders. So reminder is here. No, it was lowercase, and last check now is also. Why? Here it's all uppercase, so maybe I should... That's why it's confusing. So no, let's change that. Hey, what up? Stefan, that's a good score. Okay. So now we have the status uppercase. If it's active, then we'll update. Yeah, so we'll do reminder dot last check call new date, and we should do cloud say, I think. No, say cloud, chatbot say, and then message. I was like, what? Why it played twice? Because I have a bot running here. Okay, so now the bot will talk, but not talk, but in the chat. Maybe okay. Oh, we could do so much stuff. Like if I don't react, could increment, because right now we'll just add a message in the chat. But let's say I don't do anything. After 5 times, it will do a and stuff like that. But I think it's enough. We'll be able to use the database, because I think the to-do could be cool to save them from time to time. Yeah. So if all that now it's working, so if I just resave this guy, now I should have right away I'm assuming it's that one. Nope. Delete. Oh, I should check. It was 73. Yeah, it was that one. But why I didn't have any reminders? Interesting. Delete. 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 Why I didn't have right, it should have project. Did you assign a project yet? Oh no, it was on top of it. Stream session reminder. This and this. Yeah? So why did it not? It should have, right? Maybe I did a mistake in the how you write the so reminders, push, new reminder. I think it's like that. Yeah. Session, reminders, push. Yeah. Why didn't show up in 73? You know what? Let's try again. 38. Oh, the autosave is after? It's true that this thing
Bonjour.
could
Hi.
happen. Hey, John Galloway. How are you, my friend? Yeah, I think this should go after everything. So here I'm adding a bunch of stuff. Why everybody always say that? That is rigged. Oh, you know what? I will create a game that is rigged for you guys. You'll see what it is. Is it this? Why I'm so confused with millisecond today. So I think I got it right. Why I was doubting that much? Yeah, I got it right. So every 5 minutes it will check the reminders. Come on! Should I say what happened? Chat? Should I say what happened to John? I don't think so. I think he must watch the recording. John, I may or may not have land. Kind of super close to perfect score. But it was not my first attempt. Just saying. Just saying. Cool. Right. See? Rig. No, it wasn't. Okay, so now let's do a time and test the reminder. Okay, cool. So now if I refresh this, the chatbot has saved his data. The chatbot check his reminders. And if I go in 78, I have one reminder, but somehow it didn't check it. You should hear my dogs now. I don't know if can you. I'm assuming you cannot hear that, right? Someone push the doorbell. So I should have had some console here. So let's do console.log, right? And then we'll do something like that. and it will be
Yay!
oh, I think I know what it is, the problem. Should be message with a capital M. Unbelievable! That's a pretty good score. It's not bad, John. See? It's not rigged. Okay, so now let's refresh that thing here. It didn't say anything. Right, looking at project. Oh, at project? Yeah. Project is active. Was it chatbot? Bonjour. Hi. Hey, Shirley Dev is in the house. I'm here. Acknowledge me. I'm happy I did it before you did the attention, Shirley Dev. I like that. Welcome! How are you, my friend? How was your week? That's my question of the day. How was your week? Mine was everything building up today. So today is the day where things happen. I don't know what. Okay, boom. So I don't understand why the chat. Why I didn't see the message. Except if message is empty, but it's not, right? If we look here, message is something. Was a good tweet. I've offered. Oh yeah, cool. Was it a good one, or was it like, yeah, would you like to be a junior VB6 developer? Those one are not nice. So yeah, so how come the task didn't chat? Jason Hen just land with the score of 9. I'm still not a 6-figure job. I'm not either. And pretty happy. You know what? Sometimes I feel like if you have too much money, it starts to become a problem. Not sure I will be that happy if I had so much money. So, success message. Okay, no attention type, time, invalid password or permission. No. Could it be that? But the bot is chatting. I know VB6. I would have done a VB6 job for the right. Oh no, I know VB6 and I won't do any VB6 job Like I've removed that from all my CV, resume, everything, and I still receive offer in VB6. But yeah, no, I'm not going VB6. I'd like to test a theory. If any company wants to pay me 6-figure, I will be definitely like single digit, beat that. Jason, what? Oh, because you land on the yeah, well, like, when at start we were also keeping track of the lowest score, so I think you may be the lowest score of the day. Check the scores in the chat if you want, see if you are on the top one. Except the zero doesn't count. Oh yeah, Jason, you're the leading for the lowest score of the day.
Fantastic!
Oh, I should do more like
Good source of potassium!
the reminder. Did you assign a project yet? Ooh, it's working. The reminder is working. Cool. I don't have a phone, like I should have. I don't have for the project. I have one with projects that brings you, I think, to the page where I have all my projects. But project, I should have something like that. I think what I will do. Hey, hello. Yeah. I think what I want to do is start a database, but today the focus was really to make sure I have recurring tasks. So now I have a save every 10 minutes. I also fixed my issue where, like, if I was having two chatbots, they were overriding the file, so randomly I just give them a number and it's their ID of the session. So right now this guy here is the chatbot 42. Apparently, what? 42? Apparently it's 42. So every 5 minutes it will drop his stuff here. And the real one, since I didn't refresh it, it's the stream session undefined. So that should be the one here, although I don't think so. So yeah, so now we have the reminder, but it would be cool to change the status. So we need something to say status and change the status. And I don't think I had any tasks for that, right? So add reminder, add chatbot ID by session, add chatbot. Oh yeah, that one is done. Last update session. Yeah, I don't need that one. I thought I can sell it. Maybe if I do a save. Yeah, that one I can sell it. Load specific. So that's the other thing. I would like to have a way to load specific. So if I have bunch of file and I would like, I would like to, for test purposes, let's say there's a special condition that happened in 42, I would like to load it to test it. I would like to be able to say load 42 and load it. That could be cool. That said, how much time do I have? Oh, I don't have much time. So I think for today, that will be it. We definitely need a way to close the reminders and manage the reminders. But that will be for next week, I think. Yeah, I'm happy. That was a good stream. Like, I feel like today was useful. So we could do what was was it 2? So let's do to do done 2. So we got 2 done today. That's pretty cool. And yeah, any suggestion why 2 response? Oh yeah, because I have this bot running. That's why. Yeah, like I cannot like both interact. So when you're debugging a chatbot, like I'm opening it, make it more verbose and stuff, is still pushed to the same chat, even if the screen or version are different. But yeah. Okay, so let's now do a proper save. And I think I need to do a stop. So now I have my stream session for today. So today, that's the one here, right? I think, no, it's probably this one. With my time logs. Cool, the game result. Awesome. It's not a lot of notes. The project is loaded. Oh, the to-dos are not there. We did not add the to-dos and the notes. That's a thing we need to do. But at least they are now. That's cool. So now they are in here, so I could at least pick them and add them. But we'll need to do that. Let's add a note to my here. So so that's So that's now done. I'm not sure where. What? I'm in main. So if I push that, should I push it? Yeah. Add some reminder. It's also done. But what I want is add the to-do to the show note, change the reminder status. Let's, for now, that's it. I think that's easy. Reminder status. Where is it? Labels. That's announcement. Cool. So, any suggestion who we should raid? Who should we raid today? Oh no, that's the one I want here. I want to show the winner of today. Okay, so who are we raiding today? Laia? Yeah, it's true, it's been a while. my 8 viewers. It won't be a big cool. Have a great weekend, Cloudies. I will see you on Monday on All Around Azure with Shannon talking about Azure storage. Bye-bye.